Hello, welcome everybody. My name's Safda Mahmood and I'm very pleased to welcome you today's session on Private Children Law 2020. Today then we're going to be looking at some key principles and updates in private children law matters. Now, as you'll appreciate, this area is a very wide one, and therefore today I'm going to be focusing predominantly on some of these matters that I've mentioned in the contents. So I'll be looking at contact and enforcement, some of the latest cases. We'll have a look at that, and also how that links in with cases relating to parental alienation in particular. Also, we'll be looking at what the interrelationship is between domestic abuse and also contact issues and some of the leading case law, particularly as to how it applies to Practice Direction 12J, which supplements the Family Procedure Rules of 2010. And then we're going to be looking at some of the areas surrounding parental responsibility and removal from the jurisdiction. Also some useful case law and statutory provisions throughout 2020 in particular. Of course, this year has been like no other, given the COVID-19 pandemic. And we need to then see how this has impacted and continues to impact on private children law cases. And with that in mind, as of September 2020, when we're looking at this, we need to consider the changes that are pending insofar as private children law is concerned. So I'll take you through the private law working group, which is the time for change, the need for change, the case for change, which is the second report. So a number of matters that we'll be looking at in this session. Right, so let's then begin then with looking at, first and foremost, some practice directions. And what I want to start with is this pilot practice direction 36G. As you know, there's